Okay, what's out guys sa mga audience no? We will resume our pahampang of half court for 500 pesos. 3 points, 300 pesos. Ang free throw, 200 pesos.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 12 seconds to play.
Number 13 on the free throw line.
So good. Na-delay.
Banyares, third personal foul.
Mga piyes,
Wala.
mo.
Rebound by number 8.
Hindi ko ka-video ko sa DB. Ay kag...
Bola sang by 13. Banyares, pass to Mangable. Back to Banyares, to Mangable. Mangable, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 23. 2 points, number 23.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 50 seconds to play.
Number 13. Pass to number 15. To number 13, Moldes. O bye-bye 13. Moldes, dribbling the ball. Dumiritso, pasok. Moldes.
Sab lang.
Okay, bola ng Pahonot. Intercepted by 13. Nakuha ni number 17. Number 17. Wala. Substitution ref. Banyares out. Acosido in.
Excited isa ka na pre.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 20 seconds to play.
Galvez, dribbling the ball. Pass to Galvez. Galvez to 2. West, 2 points by Galvez. Number 15 of Bye-Bye 13. Running score 61-43 in favor of Bye-Bye 13. Number
7
23.
minutes. 13.
Foul! Pushing foul. Galvez, number 15 of Bye-Bye 13. Galvez on his first personal foul. Number 23 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Intercepted by 11. Same ball.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds to play. 13 shot clock.
Number 3.
10 shot clock.
Pass to number 23. Nakuha ni Galvez. Pinasa kay Mangable. Mangable to number 23. Foul! Committed by number
Remaining
16.
time 6 minutes and 28 seconds to play.
Sab ka?
Substitution ref.
Substitution.
Number 11.
Sulod.
13 out. Number 23. On his free throw attempt. 1 point for number 23. Mailing o Bye-Bye 13. No good. Split ang free throw, 1 out of 2. For 3, no good. Number 23 on the rebound. Pahonor. Pass number 13. Number 13. Wala. Nakuha number 16. Traveling.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 25
Substitution
seconds.
ref.
Tawag ko lang yung mga nasa ban.
6 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Size 20. Acosido dribbling the ball. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Foul. Number 23 of Bye-Bye 13. Score 43-62 in favor of Bye-Bye 13. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Intercepted by number 23 of Bye-Bye 13. Pinasa kay Mangable. 2 points. Mangable.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 50
For
seconds.
2 points. Wala. Rebound by Galvez. Pass to Acosido. Acosido. Dribbling the ball.
14 shot clock.
Pass to Galvez. Galvez.
5.
Last touch. Galvez. Bola Sampaho North.
Okay. Magana lang daw, bola ako.
Number 23. Pass to number 8. 2 points. Number 8. Acosido. Pass to Mangable. Mangable. Nakuha ni number 3. Number 3. Pinasa ka number 23. Domeritso. Balik ka number 3. Nice block by Acosido. Nakuha number 23. Number 16 for 2 points. Number 16. Timeout. Bye-bye, Trise.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds to play.
Score 64-47 in favor of Bye-bye, Trise.